Hi guys, and welcome to another review and unboxing video. This time we're going to take a look at the car from Reely, the Monstertruck Core C 1/10 scale XS. So maybe it's a little bit smaller than a normal 1/10 scale, but we shall see. I bought this car a while ago. It's new, it's an ex-dealer showroom demo model, so it's practically new. Of course, it came with the standard Reely controller from a while ago, with throttle control, steering trim and throttle trim. It feels a little bit cheap, but it does the job. It comes with a USB charger for your batteries, and of course the batteries are included. It are two 3.7 1500 mAh batteries. You place them on the sides, left and right, and it comes with a little manual in different languages. You got this car with different body styles, but we go for the Monstertruck basher look. It looks like a little bit like a Ford F-150, I think. The car got a nice weight to it, and even if it don't have oil shock, but just cheap friction dampers, it doesn't bounce as much. The tires feel nice, more like basher tires than Monstertruck tires. So we shall see how it goes in the rough terrain. But first, take the body off. And when you're new here, please subscribe, share, like or comment, and put on your notifications bell and watch the whole video please. You help me a lot. The car comes with adjustable tow arms on the front. On the rear nothing. Only thing you can change is the placement of the suspension. But as I said, it doesn't feel bad at all for friction dampers. The suspension parts are all made of plastic, except some parts of the drive shafts, drivetrain, and I think the differentials are metal. It comes with an inbuilt ESC and receiver, and I think the chassis is looking really good. Got a nice steering angle too. The car is 4-wheel drive, but the wheels are spinning freely, so I think a bit thicker diff oil does the trick to make it more grippy and don't lose as much grip as you can see in the videos later on. Here you can put the batteries, and I just love the little clips you put on the body with. In my opinion, the body got a great look. And if you want, you can put LEDs in the front, but they are not included in the car. But yeah, let's take it out for a ride. On first glance, it doesn't drive bad at all. For a beginner RC car, it's just a fun little thing. They promise it goes about 25 kilometers an hour, and I think it's not far from of it. The aftermarket supply from Reely is great, so you can buy aftermarket parts, upgraded parts, and even a new chassis will it break. The only things I should change is a little bit thicker diff oil, maybe some better dampers and maybe some better tires. But my conclusion, for the price you pay for this car, it's about 100 euros, you got a great beginner RC car to get in your hobby. Fully charged, you can drive about 15 or 20 minutes, so that's not bad at all. And it even got enough power to go on this hill. Yeah, I really like it. I got a lot of fun today. So if you ask me, should I buy it? Yes. For a beginner, yes, you could buy it. For a pro, maybe it's too much toy grade. Please like, share, comment or subscribe. And see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.